Hi guys! Welcome to my channel!
And hi, Ben Concert!
Today is May 28, 2024. At ano ngayon? Almost 1 p.m. na, and we're going to MOA for the Enhypen
Fan meet.
Bench Fan Meet. So, samahan niyo kami guys!
Pupunta na kami.
Saan tayo pupunta?
MOA Arena Concert.
Nasaan tayo ngayon? Ito tayo mo ito. Sabi.
Ha? UV. Dito na kami. Ayun na yung Enhypen.
Here. So guys, nandito kami na sa MOA grounds. Uy, nagdilim tuloy yung salamin ko. Nag-transition na siya. So, ayun na! Si John! Ano, pipicturean kita.
Tungon.
So yun guys, samahan niyo kami. And hi then!
Concert.
Guys, sa Bonjon, waiting for food and magpo-4 na. Ang tagal pa ng waiting time, but it's fine kasi kaka-order lang din namin. So, yun lang guys. Date namin kayo. Huwag mo na picturean, ikaw na bibigyan. Thank you. Ano pa yung kami? L5?
Ang lutong ng mura kasi sa 70. Siyempre, gano'n. Ano yung
Pag binati ako ni
yes! Nasaan dito yung
Doon pa.
sa labas ba? Ate? Sa taas ba?
Sana? Ayun.
Bye-bye, ate!
Bye, Del. Yung hantak mo. Kumapit ka, ha? Kumapit ka!
Idols are here! It will take us 10 months to meet them. In fact, you will see them in just a few minutes! That's right! Bench is bringing you face to face with John Wall! He's sweet experience with
Hi guys! Andito na kami!
Sa concert!
Yes! So, ito ang boses namin. Hindi pa nagsisimula yung fan meet. So, ito kami. Ito pa yung boses na. Magsalita ka.
Hello!
Ano masasabi mo sa fan meet na to?
Ha?
Ano masasabi mo sa fan meet na to?
Nakikita ko na yung hyper.
What are you feeling right now?
Good.
What are you feeling right now?
Great.
Are you happy?
Sure.
You feel great. Okay. Why do you feel great?
I will see in hyper.
Who's your favorite member?
Sonki.
Sunki. So who's Sunki?
Sono and Nikki.
Okay. Me, I'm a casual listener. So wala akong super favorite. Pero kung pinaka-bias, like, nakakatch ng attention ko before, it was his song and Sungwon. So we'll see kung marireact ako today ng someone. So again, ito yung boses namin for the concert. Papakita namin sa inyo yung pamphlet na nakuha namin, which is Bench is Sweet. Bench is Sweet and Sweet.
Everybody is encouraged to have fun.
Oh my gosh, grabe. Sobrang ganda, guys. All the light sticks combined. Super pretty na. Attention ka! Ginawa niyo yun sa akin after ng performance ng Enhypen.
Love you, Enhypen! Mahal niyo!
1, 2, 3, go!
Mahal namin kayo, Enhypen!
For real! 1, 2, 3, go! Welcome Wave! Over here! Start! Go! Welcome Wave!
So this is our voice after. Salita ka. How was it? How was the performance?
Good, good, ganda.
Ganda? Ano masasabi mo?
Thank you, ate.
Thank you, ate. Anong masasabi mo sa kanila?
Thank you for supporting us, Philippines.
Okay. Ako masasabi ko, ang galing. I mean, hindi naman to concert, fan nito, pero ang galing ng dynamic ng choreo nila and as a team. So good. Overall, 10 out of 10. So, tapos na po guys. Uwian na. Ano masasabi mo, Pogi?
Habang mahal,
Bye guys!